guys, we've made it to a nice little spot. I'll show you it. Like walk. It's supposed to be a little walk here as well. So that's quite nice. Nice little photo as well. So we can all enjoy it. And yeah, so I'm gonna just chill here and go to bed and cook up some dinner. No idea why I can't get fire going. Must be really wet or something, but anyway, I'm gonna try and get some water. Get some water on the go. Guys, look at that. That's the best we've eaten all this time, to be fair. And it looks lovely, doesn't it? Scoff yourself. Live off at home anyway. Right, guys, we're going to scran this. Alright, let's do some dishes. Alright, as clean as a whistle. Dishes, you can just warm your hands up on the old. Little science experiment, let's warm some snow up. See if we can actually use it for drinking water. We have none left. So that's a real shame, I know, but can't afford it in Norway. Alright guys, so I filled it up, and that's how much snow you get out, water you get out of it. So not really much. You would have to fill up a lot of water, well, a lot of snow to actually melt that equivalent of water. So it's not the best, but I guess it's there if you really need it. No, we've had washed it all up and that, and now I think well, we better move all this because it just looks like some sort of makeshift bird's nest, or looks like some idiots trying to make a fire, to be honest with you. So I better move it.
When I get the goods.
Oh my gosh, my feet are so cold. So I thought to put feet warmer on them, keep them warm, because they're just so cold, and I'm gonna put my socks over in there as well, because I don't really want to get frostbite on my feet, to be honest with you. Yeah guys, we've been here for the last 5 days travelling and arriving at Norway, so and we've got until the 19th of December, and it is the 28th, so got a good few weeks. So yeah, it's a little challenge for us. Good night guys, I'll see you in the morning. So guys, it is actually more or less warm now. It's pretty, well, it's not really that cold in theory, but my gloves were going down, so I had to put my mittens on. But yeah, we camped here last night. Not really on the most level ground, as you will see. And try and find some clean water around here. I saw a running water source just down here, so I can use this cup, fill a little bit up. It's like rhymes, but and then test and see how dirty it is, and then obviously we'll boil it and stuff. But yeah, no, it looks pretty clean, I have to admit. Alright, let's try and fill some of this water up then. Use a jerry can, you're gonna have to use something else, like a flask with me. And then I'm gonna use this. Just pour it straight into there. So that's the first morning job done. Filled up the water can, 5 litres of water, so just keep us going for a little bit of time. We're going to explore this area. So first things first, I think we're gonna go this way, to be honest. Alright, when it's this cold out, it's just literally about moving, just staying mobile, never standing still. Like, I just went for a run. Yeah, I warmed up a lot more. Yeah. Look at this, what a beautiful view. Guys, I tell you, Norway has been perfect. Like, we've got just the right amount of snow, I'd say. Not too deep, but not too little. So it makes it like Alice in Wonderland a little bit. But I just keep wondering what these tracks are, because they just come all over the shop. Oh, we're going off grid a little bit guys, but the most important thing you want to be checking for is how stable the ground is, and also there's water there, so you don't want to be stepping on any of that, especially if it's not thawed over properly. See a little bit. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, we've decided to kind of like freestyle it responsibly, as there's not much paths around here, and we want to see some of this area because it looks pretty cool. I mean, you've got this river come here, and then you got up further up, got a nice little like mountain thing, which you want to get to the top of really. But you just got to be very careful. What's he doing? At last the sun's come out just over that mountain. Can't imagine it going much further over that mountain, to be honest though. It's just dipped over, innit? Stays so low this time of year. Get barely any sunlight. It's like light from 9 in the morning till, well, I think it's earlier than that, but till about 3:30, so not very long. Try and find my way back to the van. Find a better place to hike up. Oh, a bit of driving as well, because we've got an Airbnb booked tonight, being gifted to us. So for 2 nights, so we've got a bit of a break from the van and camping and that. And then after that we'll do some actual camping in tents and things. But it's also the coldest night tomorrow. It's like -9, or tonight it's -9. So yeah, it's come at the right time. Guys, we found the van again, back here now. Just kind of like spawned in really. Just like came over that little hump, the old humps, and then boom, the van's there.
Take off.
On the road again, guys. That's literally what you gotta do. Look at that. I haven't had a shower in weeks, mate. Days, pretty much. 3 days. Go on, Harvey, have a shower. Oh, that's disgusting. That's all just from snow on the shoes. Like getting put in there and then warming up. Damn it. Alright guys, that Airbnb up there, the van won't make it up there. I don't know why. Like, well, I do know why. The tyres are just not grippy enough to go up there. It's too icy, so gonna have to park down here. See with that, or we just send it as fast as we can up there. Content snowed in this. Is that it? It's massive. Yeah. Generally. Ridiculous. Huh? What, to get the van? Yeah, we need to find a road to get it up. I want to have a look down here. More luxury than we ever normally get. Look at that. It's pretty cool. It's like going back in time in here and climbing as well. They got black bear hide. What the hell? Skinned a black bear. What the hell? That's sick.
Absolute struggles at the moment. Getting up here.
We're pretty much stuck here, so we're gonna have to try and clear all this stuff. So that's first things first. To try and reverse it back. Louis.
Oh yeah, it's England.
Yeah.
We drove here from England. Look at that.
There you go. Straight up. Got it out. I had like 2 attempts. Well, 1 attempt really, but leave it to the pros, leave it to the people who do it all the time, I guess. I don't sell chicken. That's why, what we can see of anyway. Got lamb. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. Don't look too shabby. Well, it's just frozen chicken fillets, but like it. So that should be alright. Save the rest of those for tomorrow. Awesome to need a bit of farming. Smoky bacon, mate. Got a shower, so nice to tell you. Well, not so nice that I had a shower, to be fair. Like, it's been about 4 days and we hadn't had a shower. So yeah, first shower in 4 days, but feel a lot more refreshed. Washed my hair and that. And this is heating up the house very nicely, I must say. Like, it's very nice and warm in here in this main part. But this food's taking ages, don't know what's going on with it. But yeah, little update. I have my hot chocolate now, and then do a little bit of editing and that, to be honest. Doing some editing on the laptop and that. Getting some drone photography out. But yeah, I've just done the washing and just slung it up next to the fire to dry, as this is our best way of drying stuff. Yeah, Harvey's gone to bed. And yeah, I mean, it's not too late, it's like 9 o'clock. -1 outside, but it's supposed to get down pretty cold tonight. Well, tomorrow morning. It's supposed to get down to like -9, so yeah, a bit more nippy than we're used to. But yeah, an update from my side. From the guys at home, from the views at home. Enjoy a warm brew with me. Alright guys, time to wind down now, so I'm gonna put the camera down as we've got a big day ahead of us tomorrow. So we've got to get up early, go for a long hike up the mountains. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys. Slept alright, to be fair, pretty nicely. Woke up a little bit cold this morning, but got to be a bit quiet because he's still asleep. Alright, so we're gonna go for a nice long hike today, in -7-degree weather. Alright, there's the van, a bit of snow over it. Let's head to the mountain range. Practically doing this bit mapless, really. Name of the van, isn't it? This incline's mental. So hot already. Because in that sweat and you can't cool down. Yeah, it's just not fun. It's like start pouring cold water on yourself. There you go. Good dry bag this, guys. Like if you don't know where you're gonna be or going, it's best to come prepared with something like this. As you're prepared for everything: snow, camping, jumping in rivers, lakes. Like my last video when I went to Switzerland, we did a lot of jumping in lakes and things, and I didn't have a waterproof bag, and that was when this bag would have come in handy. Bit treacherous. I don't know what's going on with the GoPro, it keeps freezing up on me. Alright, pretty sure you guys can see quite nicely. But the snowstorm's already rolling in, guys, so I don't think we're going to get that great a view up the top, but it's still something to do and something to enjoy. Found out how steep it gets from this rope. I had to pull it out of the snow, but you have to climb this to get up there. Something's come along there. I wonder if it's even tied off. I'm wearing nothing. Oh. That's what you don't want to do. Don't hurt yourself on the rocks. Oh, here he goes, old mountain climber. The mountain climber, here he is.
Could just be a car driving past.
Oh, that is steep stuff.
Any steps?
No. Oh guys, we lost the path for a little bit, but I think that for those rock piles, it's got to be the path. But I almost fell. Like down here, there's a real deep bit, and I fell into it a little bit, and it went up to practically here, up like my hips. So I've got to be so careful. The wind's getting up. Getting a lot more windy now up here. So we've got our rain jackets on, and we're trying to send it to the top and get down pretty quick, because this storm seems to be getting worse. Course correction, and we're going to go and head up to the cross, just so that we can say we've finished the walk, because it just doesn't feel like we've done anything or achieved anything. It just feels like we've just gone for a little walk up a hill. That's practically it. So yeah, that's what we're going to do now, just so we can top it off. Shit, my foot's wet. Damaged my shin, but good job I got strong shins from Muay Thai. Right guys, we found the path just when we needed it. Thank God for that. There it is, guys. Don't know if you can see it on camera, but there it is. It's definitely a lot further than I thought. And sitting there. Oh, they got another box. Yes. We can read the box of Bibles. Some sort of sticky. So a little cabin there. Imagine stealth camping in that. A little cabin down here as well. Some sort of sign here. There you go. A little bit. Teen tent. In adulthood, he did not have a permanent residence after achieving adulthood, but he was involved in the district. He built a cabin overlooking his home farm for this very reason. So he just built this because he wanted to overlook his hometown. Let's go and have a look over here then. It's like getting built. The old binoculars. Letters and stuff. You bring food?